And now we're back to finish the bandaging.
All right. Inventory. You got the items, the bandage. Tail. Once we have healed, invalidate itself, which means what? Get the character's AC inventory component. KO. Get equipped item object. Or we can say equipped item object. And we can say if it is the self. Ow! We already know, well, it hasn't been casted, but we know. Oh, yes, we can. Because when we have used it, if we swap, then, okay, so if there's a way to swap items, I gotta figure that out. If I'm using a bandage and then I stop and put it away, and then I pull a sword out, I don't want this to invalidate it. But in the meantime, the only thing that triggers this invalidation is, I think we're safe. The only thing that triggers the invalidation is the animation's progress. Once you hit, right there, you heal, and a bandage goes away. So, that means I need to, so if I invalidate it, what will happen? I don't even know. I think we just destroy the actor. So I don't want to have to do that in every item though. So if we go to the implementation, and we go to slot, and we go to drop, we can see exactly how I do it. Right up here. Equip the item. Oh wait, no, it's in drag detected. That's when we delete it. If full dragging, what we do is we, where is it? Where does it go? Oh, here it is. We just destroy the actor and then we set it. Yeah, it's not that crazy. It seems fine. Or we could just do kill item and then it would do this. But I have to cast to it. I have to cast to it anyway or get it. So fuck it. I don't care. I mean, it's not what, like, I make a function to put two things in it so that I call one thing instead of just, I'd rather just see what the fuck's going on. We're just gonna invalidate that hoe. Kill the item, or well, we'll just say bandage is one use, or we could have durability, so it could have multiple uses. But for now, we'll just do one. That's fine. Please. Oh, we could do this, and we could do get. Oh no! Why does that not work? I don't even know. Who knows? Oh, please get equipped item object.
Destroy actor. Demolish him.
So we destroy the actor so that it is no longer visible in the world, and then we invalidate that hoe. Cool. Set him to nothing.
Make him gone. Take him away. Take him away.
I could get good at that. I don't have much stamina. So, really, in anything. Okay. Okay. That is going down. Yep. Cool. Now we test. Let's see. Bandage. What are you? Okay, the dagger's gigantic. That's cool. I can put it away and I can't use it anymore because it's gone. Can't heal because I'm not hurt. He's fucking me up. I'm gonna take the dagger out and kill his ass. No! Oh my god, I thought I was dead. And then I can heal. That's it. It's gone. Oh, but the item is not gone. So probably a check system. So if I'm holding 5 things, I'm holding blueberries, and I eat one, it heals a bit of hunger. My hunger meter goes down a little bit. Hunger meter. My hunger values go up, or my satiation, I don't know. I guess my hunger levels go down because I'm not as hungry now. And then if it's the last item, then we need to set that motherfucker to be blank. So bandage is 1 use. So maybe that is the play. We'll say there's a couple different things. Look at this. I might actually have to use a function. So bandage is single use. Bandage disappears upon use. But, excuse me, item doesn't disappear. Making function in the item inventory component to consume the item, depending on how many are left in the stack. Okay. So that means in the component, I need some logic to find the item, remove them, and then update them. So we'll do a new function, and we will call it consume item.
Consume the item.
Consume item made consume item function. Made consume item function. Kate, what are we passing in? I only have 1 slot, so maybe the because I'm holding an array of items. I have multiple equipped items, and it can be in one of those slots. But that slot index isn't saved. So right now we're only using 1. So we're only in the item slot. I'm just saving whichever one it is. So on drop. Once we drop it, I'm just adding it to the equipped item object because there's only 1. So what I should do is in the equipped item object, and we're setting it in the inventory component, so it's here. It's a type of item. Should the item itself know if it's equipped, or I'm just trying to think about what the information it should have. Where should I store it? Something needs to know where the current item is. That way when I use the item will find itself. So it sounds like when it gets added, it needs to know what slot. Who keeps track? The object. Maybe, but that doesn't feel right, because then every item, even if I don't have it equipped, it'll have a default equipped index. And then what do I do? A Boolean or something? Like, Right now I just want one slot. So we can just say there's technically only one. Okay. So we could say on consume item for each item that I have equipped, which right now is just one. We get the name. Ooh, but the object name ain't it. Get properties. So we get the name of the object and we get the name of the items. We find out. Okay, we loop through and we find an item and it matches. Cool. Oh, and the item object has a stat count. So we're creating an item with a stat count and the stat count stays the same. We'll just do 2 of these to check. And then if I don't need it, I don't need it. They have to be the same item, basically, which we can check by making sure it's the same stack and it's the same name. Probably a bug later. If they are, then two things. If they are, don't touch the object, just touch this. But I also kind of need to update that too. Maybe we set both. Because the object has its own stuff. I think I have to have it. I have this array of stuff, and then I have the one that's activated, and I have to just pair it to see which one it is. And then when I remove it, this guy goes away, and then when we re-add it, might be some bugs here, but we'll see. We will. We will set array element. For now, this is kind of fucked. But we'll see. So we're updating itself. And we are setting its stat count. Okay, so all the fuck. Oh, this is annoying. I have to match all of this. I just want to set one thing. So I want to set members. What if we just pause this for a sec, recombine, set member? Like I could do that, but then can I still split? Fuck, I can't. Maybe this makes sense. So, does the name match? Does the stack count match? Yes? Okay. Then, shit. I need to get the item's information. Twice. Oh! Yes! That's it. There it is. Shit. Maybe not. I need two things. I need to be able to split this. I don't want to save it and keep overriding the same thing. I just want to freaking... Oh, man, that's annoying. Alright, it's not that bad, though. I can organize this better, I think. We'll find out. There's a way to do it. Alright. So, does the name match? Does the stat count match? That's not it. Does the stat count match? Yes? Cool. Finds itself. Equipped item finds itself within equipped items. Okay. And then... Fuck, but I still need to set it, dude. Oh, wait. Yeah, and then set array element. That's fine. We will set the index. The name is the same. The icon is the same. The type, stack, the max count, the class, equipable, the whole thing. And we will update the count to be, if it's the same and we have consumed it, reduce it by 1. So it is now stat count minus 1. And we will say used 1 item, or used 1 count of item. Want to reduce item count by 1 because, or consume item by 1. Okay. If it doesn't match, do nothing. Is that it? No, because I also need to do it here too. Properties. Get them and set them. And we need to do the same thing here. Oh, good. I'm just going to get it again. Get this item properties. There might be a little wonky thing in here, but it's not too bad. This means that it's the same, so, I mean, if anything, we want these to match, so we're just gonna... Get... At this point, we're getting a reference to it. We're setting it to be -1. We'll just get a copy. What's the index? The index... Oh, this is so scuffed. Oh, this is terrible. This is real bad. Name, the icon, the type, the stack, the count, the class, equipable. Stack count -1, because we have used 1. and update the item to okay. Target. Ooh, that's no good. Equipped item object. That's the target. Wait, is it? Yeah. Yeah, we're just matching it. Okay. All right. So we consume the item. Consuming the item means it gets the properties of the current item. It checks and sees that there's a grouping of items that I have equipped. It finds itself in there by checking to make sure it matches whatever the item are. So there's a bunch of items here, and then there's the one equipped item. It matches one. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna subtract one from both stacks. So my equipped shit and the actual inventory with the data are both equipped, or they both make sense. Do I even need this shit? I do, because it saves its own stuff, and that's how I pass information. So I do need to update it in the item. So the item part is hidden. So I update the inventory, but then if I picked up the item and dropped it somewhere, then I think it'd be messed up. Maybe. And then after we update inventory, children, maybe? I believe that's it. And in here, oh, motherfucker, this guy. All right, hold on. Consume item, maybe? Fuck. I gotta go, I can't be mean. All right, on to it next time. Consume item done, maybe? Boom. Okay, bye.